This video demonstrates how to add social media icons in email signature template. With Sigsync, what you see is what you get. Signature Editor, you can add single or multiple social media icons to your email signatures. Adding social media icons in your email signature can help recipients learn more about you, your company, and your website. It can also encourage customers to connect with you on a more personal level. Let's see how to add a social media icon to your signature template using the Sigsync Signature Editor. Select the Manage Signature tab from Sigsync Dashboard. Select the Signature Editor. Click on the table cell and select the social media icon. Select the social media icon from the Sigsync repository. You can load the icons from your local drive or add them using a direct URL. Enter the alt tag and image title, then click the Apply button. The social media icon is added to your signature template. You can use the social media strip component in the Sigsync Generator tool to insert multiple social media icons, such as Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube. That's it. Try Sigsync for free today.